Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to change the language in Mozilla Firefox browser. So let's get started. First thing, to the rightmost top you will be having this three lines icon. Select it and click on settings. In settings just select general, and if you scroll down over here we will be having language. Just click on this drop down and click on search for more languages. And here we are having select a language to add. Click here, and here we are having these many languages to choose from. You can just choose the language of your choice and click on add, and it says here Firefox will display the first language as your default language. So in case if you want to move it, you can just move it to top and just make sure that you're having the last selected language at the top. After that, just click on OK. And as you can see, the language I have selected has been applied everywhere, here also in the settings. So that's basically how you do it, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.